Today we are going to learn about the square root. We already learned about the square in the previous parts. So let's start about the square root. So what mean by the square root? We know that 2 square is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4, right? So it means what? By multiplying 2 itself, we are getting the answer as 4. Therefore, 2 is known as the square root of 4. Let's see another example. 12 square, that is 12 into 12 is equal to 144. So by multiplying 12 itself we are getting 144. Therefore 12 is known as the square root of 144. We can represent it symbolically as shown here. Under root 4 is equal to 2, or under root 144 is equal to 12. Okay, so reading what should be, it is reading should be like this: square root of 4 is 2, or square root of 144 is 12. Now let's see how to find out the square root. There are the so many ways. First we will see finding square root through sorry represent finding square root through repeated subtraction. So what we have to do in the repeated subtraction? So the first step is subtract consecutive odd numbers from given square until you get the answer as 0. And step second, count the steps in which you will get the answer 0. That means which how many steps you require to get the answer 0, that will be your required square root there. So you will see it through the example. Find out square root 36. So we have to find out the square root of 36 there. So what to do according to the repeated subtraction? First thing, we have to subtract odd numbers from 36. We will start by 1. Okay. So what we will get the steps? We will get like this: 36 minus 1 is equal to 35. Next 35 minus 3. 3 why? Because 3 is the next consecutive odd number, is equal to 32. Then next what step? 32 minus next consecutive odd number, that is 5, equal to 27. Next 27 minus 7 is equal to 20. Next 20 minus 9 is equal to 11. And next 11 minus 11 is equal to 0. Now we got the answer 0. So we have to stop the subtraction and we have to count the steps there. Here see how many steps are there: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 steps are there. So number of steps what will be? So number of steps are 6 to get the answer 0. So that's why the square root of 36 is equal to 6 there. So this was the way to find out the square root through repeated subtraction. But here see, if the numbers are very small, this method should be very easy to find out the square root. But when the numbers are very big, so it is little troubled or little lengthy there. So to avoid this, we have the another way, that is finding square root through prime factorization. So in this way what we have to do, we have to find out the prime factors of the given square, and then by making the pair between the factors we have to choose one factor each from the pair, and we have to get the answer there. How to do it? Let's see through the example. The example is given as find square root 64. So first thing what we have to do to find out the square root of 64, first we have to find out the factors of 64 there. Now we can find out the factors in another two ways, that is by multiplying, means by vertically also you can find out, and by horizontally we can find out also there. Here see, I shown here the horizontal way, that is 2 into 32. Next step what you have to do, 2 have to be keep as it is, 32 have to be split there, that is it will be yours 2 into 16. Next what you have to do, 2 into 2 will be remain as it is, 16 will be split like this, 2 into 8. Next 2 into 2 into 2 will be remain as it is, 8 will be split as 2 into 4. Next what to do, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 will be remain as it is, and 4 will be split as 2 into 2 there. So this also can done vertically also there. Let me show here. I shown here see vertically. How to do this one? 64 divided by 2, that is 32. 32 divided by, here see, I shown the explanation also. 64 divided by 2 is equal to 32. So the first number you got 32. Next 32 divided by 2 is equal to 16. So next yours has 16. Next 16 divided by 2 is equal to 8. In such a way, until you get the 1, you have to do the division there. This is the vertical way. Okay. I hope you understood how to find out the factors there. Vertically or horizontally we will find out. Okay. Let's come to our another point. That is, once you got the factors there, right? You got the factors as here 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. Okay. Now next, what the next there? We have to make the pairs of these factors. Means these factors we have to divide into the pair. Pair means what? The group of two factors there. Means the group of two factors together. Here see, I made the pair. 2 into 2 is the one pair. Next 2 into 2 is another pair. And next 2 into 2 is the another pair there. So we got the pairs as 2 into 2, 2 into 2 and 2 into 2. So next step what you have to do? Choose one factor from each pair and multiply it to get the required square root. Means from first pair I will get the first 2. From second pair I will get the second 2 here. And from third pair I will get the third 2 here. So what will the answer? 2 into 2 into 2 is equal to 8. This is the required answer for square root 64 there. I hope you understood this lecture very well. We will see the remaining part into the next lectures.